What to do when a customer says that their machine is broken and that you suspect that the grinder is clogged. You receive the machine from a customer, plug it in just as you would normally, turn it on, it's asking for a scan. You use the grinder only tag to verify the issue. And you can confirm that the grinder is not working and that it's not spinning. Before disassembly, put down some towels or a blanket to make sure you don't scratch and damage the machine. And of course, remove the power cable. Remove all the removable parts, so the water tank, the roasting chamber, burr, and the air filter box. So we turn the machine. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. We remove the 2 screws at the back of the water tank section. There are 2 more screws at the top of the machine, on both left and right hand side. And we just need to remove those as well. We did the same on the other side, removing 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lastly, we need to unscrew the screws at the bottom. So, put the machine facing forward and unscrew 2 screws, 1 and 2. Using a flat tool, find the seam of the Bonaverde machine and insert the flat tool in. Grab a second one, find the seam on the other side. There is a hole in the assembly where you can insert the flat tool and prime the machine open. You give it a bit of a twist. Using a flathead screwdriver or the flat tool, you keep prying until the machine pops open. You can see the machine is free from all the hooks where it's secured on both sides, and you just move the back panel, which is attached to the top panel of the machine. Using a flathead screwdriver, turn the motor of the grinder until it spins freely in both directions. Plug in the power. Turn the machine over, and you can see actually a few bits of green coffee fell out. Replace all the accessories. That's the grinder finished and clean, and we can start the process of reassembly of the machine. Just to make sure, you always unplug the machine before doing anything with the internals. For reassembly, we need to reverse all the steps that we took for assembly, but first things first, we need to remove all the accessories. We then lay the machine on the front and attach the cover. And we start applying the screws.